Bubbles. So, this is part 4 on the freaking in-game PaperClip challenge. So, we got the dragon train roll skirt, the heirloom corset and cage skirt. Honestly, I'm surprised I even got this offer in the first place. So, last offer for this thing, and it was these. Okay, the last offer we got for the heirloom skirt, the corset, and the dragon train was dress, as was this. I already have 2 of them, so I don't want 3 of them. Although 3 of them could be worth a lot, though. Who knows? But honestly, I really like the corset. I like it actually more than, and I like these wings. The corset is actually beautiful, in my opinion. It's going to be even more beautiful once it's reworked. How about them beans? Okay, I'm just weird. Let's see, is she going to offer? I'm being patient with her. Oh, that's sad. Oh, hi there. Oh, okay. That sucks. Should've talking to her. I'm sad. Let's check. Wait out the sun. Honestly, I do like the unlimited floof. Oh my god. Deal, I guess. Oh, gosh. Deal. Deal. Okay. Well, okay then. Deal. So, deal. This offer is amazing. Sort of, if you recall. Oh my god, no. Get off my screen, please. I want to change. Sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. Oh, I'm so sorry, guys. I'm sorry you had to see that. Oh my god. I'm so sorry, guys. Oh my god. Okay, now that's better. That looks adorable. Okay, let's trade Maria. Maria, trade me. Trade me. Trade me. Please. Are you kidding? Oh. Let's just go knocking down everybody. Knock. Let me knock you down. I'm going to knock this person down. Knock. You keep falling to the ground. Are you okay, miss? Are you okay, miss? I don't think she's okay. I don't freaking think she's okay. I'm gonna trade this girl. This girl I traded. Okay, let me just... Oh my god. 18,000. Oh my god, that looks like 180,000. Do not fall for a scam. That if you miscalculate and it looks like 180,000, you could get scammed. So please be careful. Please be careful. Yeah, almost anything. I'm not gonna be accepting and freaking this skirt for it. No. Oh heck no. Oh. Sorry guys, I just turned on my light. It was like pitch black in the room because it was nighttime. It was like pitch black. Okay, so we got 18,000 diamonds and Moonlight Goddess Unlimited Floof. Honestly, I actually sounded... Okay, I went to Disney once. I'm just telling you guys a story real quick. So I went to Disney last year, and we're at Belle's Castle. And they were finding people to be the wardrobe, and we all had to do like whoa, or whoa, or no, that's not even close. I can't even do it anymore, but that was not even close. Hold on. Whoa. Okay, something like that, and he came out to me with that wardrobe thingy in their hands, paper thingy, whatever, and I was a wardrobe because I sounded amazing. I'm quite happy. Yeah, I'm still quite happy I got that. I really liked Belle. Sadly, I didn't get to see my favorite Disney character, which is she's Elsa. I really like Elsa. She's just beautiful, honestly beautiful. But sadly, I didn't get to, see her. I just wanted to go to Disney just to see Elsa, but I didn't get to see her. I got to see Cinderella, I think. No, I don't think so. So, yeah. I think I got to see Ariel and Belle, but that's it. I only got to see Ariel and Belle. And I went on my first ever roller coaster, and I was like so sick. I didn't feel sick, but holy crap, I thought I was gonna fall. I thought I was going to just go yeet out of the freaking in seat. I thought I was gonna yeet out of the seat. What I mean by that, I thought I was gonna fall out of the seat and go flying. I really thought I was gonna go flying for a second because I kept getting lifted up. I felt like I was just gonna get. I thought I was just gonna get thrown out of my seat and go flying into a hotel window. I mean, like, that's exactly what I felt. I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna die here. I thought I was actually gonna die there. I was like, please get me off this roller coaster. I have a feeling I'm gonna die if I don't get off this roller coaster. I'm just gonna go flying and off the roller coaster into a hotel window. And but no, that didn't happen. I got out safely. But oh my god, that was my first ever roller coaster. I really thought I was gonna go freaking I thought I was gonna go through the freaking bars for a second. I was screeching. I was scared. I was like, no, I don't want to go flying. Kill me. No, I didn't want to kill myself, but I thought I was gonna die on that roller coaster. I was like, holy moly. Sadly, I didn't go on, like, you know, that mountain thingy with water that you get splashed with, like, you get soaked in water with. I sadly didn't go on that one. I wanted to, but sadly didn't get to. I was screaming like, why can't I get on there? That's how I felt. That's actually how I felt, literally. I was just, I was sad. But sadly, my foot was a few days before I went to Disney, my foot was sprained, and at Disney it was like 11 when we, it was like 9 when we left because of my foot. But I have a feeling we're gonna go to Disney soon again, after this coronavirus crisis. It sucks, trust me. You do not want to go through what I'm going through. Oh. My ugh. Where will my life begin?